Good evening everyone, today we are in the Auntie Jude's kitchen, that's the aunt of Ginny.
And we will be teaching Marcin here how to cook the classic Filipino chicken pork adobo. So come, join us guys.
So at the end of the day you will have a master chef of traditional Filipino food.
Hope so. Okay, so come join us. Here it is. These are the ingredients. Yes, you should be the one. Okay, you should.
So the first thing we do, how much do we
Just
put?
1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon. It's okay. Just a small amount, baby will do. Okay, small amount of cooking oil, whatever cooking oil. Yes. Start putting the
onion.
onion.
Alright, it's already hot.
That's cool. Yay. Low, medium. Put it into low, medium heat, baby. Yes. Okay, start. Continue sauteing it. Continue with the saute, and then put the garlic. Yes, put the 1 clove of garlic.
The one
Yes.
of garlic.
Continue.
Come in.
Yes. Continue mixing it, babe. Saute. And then we can wait, baby. Let's wait for it to turn golden brown. I like my garlic to be golden brown. This, okay, we put.
Yep, we can put
Yes,
already.
we can put the pork. Yes, we can put the pork now, baby. Pork,
You
yes.
can hold the cover. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll have different angles.
Yes.
Oh, alright.
Okay, baby, put the
Okay,
pork.
we put the pork.
Yes, and then wait until it's brown, brownish.
Wait until it's brown.
Yes. Okay. Yay, go baby, do yay. Yes, that will take a little bit of time. Then we can put the cracked black pepper.
Right now, already?
Cracked. Yes.
Yeah?
The cracked and the whole. Yes. The
This one?
yes one. Yes, baby. The peppercorn and the cracked
Yeah.
one. Yes. Put it.
Both.
Both.
And,
Yes.
cracked one. Alright. I think this here is
Okay, I think 3 minutes. We still have to wait for 3 minutes.
raw.
Still recording though, baby. Yeah. It's still recording, babe. I will turn. Yeah. Now we put some water. The 1/4 cup of, was it 1/2 cup? 1/4 cup of water.
Alright.
Then soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Blending.
Maybe you're holding.
Blending.
Just mix it, baby. Continue mixing.
Mixing.
Yes.
And we mix.
Mix it. Ooh, okay.
Okay. Now there's
The oyster sauce. The oyster sauce. Continue mixing, baby. Continue mixing. Then we put the bay leaves.
The leaves, which are also known as
Laurel leaves. So we call it, yeah, laurel. Go some buy some laurel leaves. Maybe we can cover it now.
Are we covered?
And we wait for how many minutes? 10 minutes. So baby, we wait for 10 minutes.
Covered. Wait.
For 10 minutes for the meat to be cooked. 10 minutes, baby. We're waiting for 10 minutes before we can continue cooking the chicken pork adobo classic.
So the adobo is actually the most well-known
Food, yes,
food
Filipino
in
food. Adobo is the national food of the Philippines. So if there are like other national costumes, national fruit, and other stuff, we have adobo as our national food. So enjoy, guys. You should taste.
So what I read on the internet, there's also different versions of adobo. So we can have only chicken adobo.
Yes, only chicken and only pork. Yes.
I read on internet there is also a vegetarian version.
Yeah, there are. I think they use a different kind of meat, a vegetarian meat, and sometimes tofu. You can make adobo out of tofu. Yes.
Tofu adobo.
Yeah.
Or like, I don't know, broccoli adobo.
We have to try that. So it's been 5 minutes now. We will try to mix.
Very dense.
Yeah.
Very dense and it's, I think it's very...
When the sauce is already reduced,
Yeah,
we
it's
can
very
put
reduced.
we can put the Sprite, baby.
Okay, let's put the Sprite.
Right. We can add even. Yeah.
Let's put the Sprite.
Fry. And then salt. I mean sugar.
That's the sugar.
Yes.
The whole sugar.
Yes.
Sugar is super sweet.
And start mixing also, baby. Yeah, do the mixing. The mixing.
Yes.
Turn it to low medium heat.
It's turned.
Yes. Ooh, you can smell it. It really smells good, right, babe? And then cover it again, baby. Cover it for another 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Cover it.
Okay.
Covering it for another 5 minutes.
Okay. Wait another 5 minutes now.
Yes.
It already smells very good.
Yes.
Let's drink the Sprite.
Yes, you can drink that. It's just soda.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. Put the chicken.
Putting the chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Yay.
Oh, sorry. Splash. There was a splash. Okay. Chicken goes in. Okay. And the vinegar. Okay. All right.
Smells yummy already. And then we should cover it for like 5 to 10 minutes again, babe.
Okay.
Go cover.
Now
Yay.
next step.
And cover it.
Cover.
Now we wait for at least 10 minutes. Okay?
Again,
5 to
10
10 minutes, yes. Okay. Ah, I will remove the light now. And then what else are we missing ingredient? Just this one when it's cooked, the quail eggs and the onion rings. Let's see how it tastes later. Okay, so while we are waiting for 10 minutes.
To add some aroma, we will put basil leaves.
Yes, basil.
A little bit of oregano. Also open it like this. I love oregano.
Let's just put some, baby.
So what is that?
It's Ajinomoto or monosodium glutamate, but we just put a little amount of it.
Ajinomoto.
Yes. Or monosodium glutamate. But that's optional if you want it tastier. We don't have to include this, baby, because you know sometimes other countries don't like Ajinomoto.
So how does it taste? Can I?
No, baby, it's so like salty, not really salty, but it adds flavor. Yes. And then we can put the whole eggs. And then we cover it.
Cover.
Yes. Cover for another, 5 to 10 minutes again. We cover it till the water is reduced. We can add another 5 minutes, babe. Baby, we can. So let's see. After 10 minutes. Ooh, that looks really nice. Okay, we can turn it off. Yes. And we can transfer it into a nice white.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, so we will put now the onion rings for the garnish. Yay! The last part. The onion rings. Hey, my baby chef.
And that
How you cook
chicken pork adobo.
classic
Chicken pork adobo. Smash it.
Smells really good. Okay. I think we should start digging in, baby. Haha.
All right.
Let's taste it.
Yeah,
Amazing.
that's very good. Oh my god.
Baby, it's amazing.
Let's try the egg.
Amazing. That's very good.
Very good.
See, baby? It's really tasty and delicious.
Yeah, that's very delicious.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the baby. Adobos are amazing.
That's the pork.
So, that's our chicken pork adobo. I'll teach you Marcin how to cook it. It's really amazing.
So if you want to taste it, come to me.
Okay. Okay. See you next time, guys.
See you next time.
Like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, we can do that. Okay, bye.